I've been calling you all day. You didn't answer your phone. As I called Ned's mother,
May, I'm okay. Honestly, just relax. I'm fine.
I know you left detention. I know you left the hotel room in Washington. I know you sneak out of this house every night. That's not fine. Peter, you have to tell me what's going on. Just lay it out. It's just me and you.
Boss is starting to turn you. You screwed it up.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
I'm sorry. You worry.
You know, I'm not trying to ruin your life.
Yeah, I know.
I'll take a shower. You smell like garbage.
We're okay. It's just me and you.